Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I do my nighttime hair routine, and I'm just going to real quick take my hair and put it up tightly. We're going to moisturize it, and I'm going to walk you through the process while I talk. So right now it's in one braid and another section of the hair is down. So I'm just going to keep this sectioned off and do this side first. I'm going to take out my earrings because those are just going to get in the way. I try to do this a lot. I'm also going to use a leave-in conditioner, just a little bit on the ends. I'm going to twist my hair as I put it in. I'm going to get a little more. Sometimes the ends get really dry. And if you're not doing this with your hair, you might ask yourself, well, could this be the reason why my hair isn't as healthy as I want it to be? It's possible. Maybe your hair is the health you want it to be. I hope so. We're going to use a bristle brush with the oils. Bristle brush is better for your hair than a regular hairbrush, especially when you're giving it an oil treatment. It'll give you a lot less breakage. I do, however, like to use both, but I use the bristle brush first. Now we're going to separate our hair into 3 pieces. Alright, these are the pieces. And we're gonna put the farthest back piece forward first, because it's the longest. Getting the braid started, my only advice is to make sure that you hold it as close to the base as you can. Make sure that you grab it between your fingers, hold it like this in between your fingers, and as the hair is going to want to go in every which direction, so you take your thumb like this and you smooth it out as it wraps around. Now that it's this far, I'm also going to get a little bit more of this leave-in conditioner. When you braid, it's the perfect time to hydrate your hair. Also, if you hydrate your hair while you do this, when it comes out of the braids the next day, it is going to look that much better. Like if your braids are a little wet, it'll have more powerful of an effect on your hair. Because like braiding your hair really tightly will make it poof up the next day. Little things. One side done. Now this one might be a little tangled. Let's see. Nah, we're fine. That's the nice thing about keeping it braided. You don't have the same problems with it getting tangled all the time. Can't recommend it enough. Alright. Now take the conditioner, the tips, and twist. Your hair will thank you. All right. See, once you get a hang for starting a braid, you can do it really quickly. And then we're going to get another squirt of the leave-in conditioner. And then just try to braid it as tightly as we can. If you have your hair hydrated while it's in a braid, it's just going to be less frizzy. It'll be easier to put up. It'll be easier to put tight. It's just hair likes to be hydrated. And it likes to be braided. It likes to be braided, it likes to be hydrated, it likes to be appreciated. There you go. There's your rhyme. Nothing quite like a really tight braid. There's just something about it. And there you have it, folks. It's my nighttime hair care routine. And sometimes you can also take the leftover leave-in and just get a little bit around here. You know, if your scalp gets really dry, just make sure you're giving it some circulation. You're letting the air and the oils circulate. You know, sometimes the oil of your scalp gets like stuck. So yeah, just make sure you're taking care of your hair. And I like to give the little tips, a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner. Just because my tips sometimes are a little tragic. And then usually while I'm sleeping, I like to have them up like like this and clipped. There you go, everyone. Hair like this while sleeping, it won't tangle, it's easy. Makes it easy to get your necklace off. So yeah, if you want to see more hair care tutorials or just stuff like this, let me know down below. Hit that like, comment, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. And I'll see you in the next one.